In previous lectures, we have edited our header, our footers, and also our menus and buttons and all these things, including theme installation and web hosting setup as well. Now in this lecture, we are going to edit the pages one by one. First of all, we'll edit the home page, then about page, then services, then testimonials, blog, and at the end we'll edit the contact page. So first of all, to edit the home page, what you just have to do is you just have to go to home page, and on this on top in this ribbon, click on edit with Elementor. When you will click on edit with Elementor, you will be directed to the Elementor page editor. You can also say Elementor page builder, where we'll be doing all these edits, and this is the main area where we are going to do all the edits. So first of all, if you want to change the background color, or maybe if you want to navigate easily, you just have to click on this navigator. First of all, click on this banner, and if you want to change the background color of this banner, just go to style, and from here you can just add an image if you want. And then the second thing is this introduction. You can let it be as it is. Now, hello, I am Khadeen Akbar here. Here you have to enter your name, and then the second part is this tagline. Here you have to enter anything about yourself, and here you can add your Calendly link or your contact link or any other link. Then here's your picture. Here you can add replace and add a picture of yourself with removed background or white background kind of thing. And then the I think this section is done, and then is featured works. And in featured works, you can edit each featured work. Just click on each featured work, and from here you can just change the avatar, and then you can just change the name of that featured work, and then you can change the designation as well, and also the bio the like about that thing as well. And these are different sections divided into columns, and if you want to edit each of them, you can edit them very easily, and it's not a hard job. And after editing your that edit work, after editing your featured work, then the third thing is services you provide, and just select each service. Just you can change the icon, you can change the service name and that thing, and then is get started button, and here you can redirect the user to the services page. So I just enter services here and select services, and when someone will click it, the user will be redirected to this services page. And that's how you can edit them. And if you want like to add 6 services, then what you can do is you can just duplicate this complete section, or if you want to add one more service in this area, then you can just click on duplicate column, and you can add 4 services in one row. Okay, and that's how you can just play around with the things. And then what client says, just click on the testimonials, and from here you can there are 3 testimonials. You can add new, and you can add these 3 as well by just clicking on them, and you can just edit the credentials of each testimonial. And then you have this areas of expertise. You want to change text, you can. Then from here you just have to click on this one, and from here in ending number you have to set the percentage, and in title you have to add your skill. You have to do the same thing with all. Like if you want to change Adobe Photoshop, like I'll add web design is 99%, and that's how you can change it. And if you want to add a prefix like 99% plus 99%, you can add it as well, or 99% plus. That's how you can play around with it. And then are the brands you have worked with. You just have to grab the logos of each brand you have worked with, and you can upload them. And then you have this get started button. Just click on it, and you can redirect the customers to any external page, or you can redirect them to contact page. And then is your blog, and I think you don't need to edit this section. And you in link you have to add blog, because you want to redirect the viewers and visitors to the blog page. Okay, and I think that's all with the home page. And now we should update this. Just click on this update button, and your page will be updated. And now you can see this became gray, and that has been updated. And now we will just go back to our website. And after going to website, we'll just go to the about page. In about page, here are a few things to be edited, so we'll just click on edit with Elementor to make these edits. So here we are, and if you want to change the background color, as I told you, just click on banner, just go to styles, and from here you can just change the background image. And if you want to change the background color, you can just go to background overlay, just select gradient or classic, and you can change the background color of that as well. Like this is grayish kind of thing, but if you will make opacity full, it would become full like white, or it would become a full color. Any color you want, you can edit it, okay, from the overlay. Then is introduction. You can just change your name, and you can change the things about you, the text, the tagline, and then the services you provide. You can just open that column, and if you want to copy and paste, what you can do is, like, I'll just duplicate this, and you just have to go to like you have made the edits on the home page. So what you can do, if you don't want to create edit them